Hi guys, it's Rachel and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be another how I style video, and this one I'm going to basically just show you guys some outfits I've been loving, some that you can definitely incorporate into your spring wardrobe, as well as some that also incorporate some spring trends that I've been loving or just some trends that I've been seeing online. So if you guys are interested in this video, please keep on watching. So the first outfit that I have here is one that I have been wearing a lot, and it is just this whole jeans and teddy bear jacket combo. Every time I wear this jacket on my Instagram, you guys always ask me where it's from. The one that I have here is from Shein, but I'm going to try to link some that are similar in the description box below if I can't find it anymore. But this outfit is just with a pair of bootcut denim. The trend here that I'm working into is the denim because I feel like a lot of brands are kind of experimenting with different cuts rather than just the plain skinny. I've been seeing a lot of bootcut lately, a lot of flare. I think that this cut is just super flattering. It makes you look long, it makes you look taller than you actually are, and it definitely gives off that whole model off-duty type of vibe. I paired this up with my NASCAR vintage shirt, and then as well as the thrifted belt to go along with the jacket. The next outfit I have here is one that I may be wearing on my Europe trip, and this is definitely for the people that live in warmer climates. So the trend that I want to play up here was the whole menswear textiles trend. There's been a lot of pinstripes lately and I absolutely love it. I've been seeing it all over my Instagram feed. And what I did here was wear this pinstripe top along with a matching pinstripe skirt. The pinstripe top is from Dynamite and the pinstripe skirt is from Shein. And I also wore it with just my sneakers. I experimented it with a pair of booties and then a pair of heels, and nothing just looked right to me except my white Stan Smith sneakers. And I'm so excited to be wearing dresses and sneakers when it's a little bit warmer where I live, but this is definitely something that I may be wearing in Europe because it's a lot warmer than Toronto there. And then for a chillier day, or if you just want to add an extra layer, you can definitely pair a leather jacket with this. I have this vintage leather jacket from my mom that I thought was really fun and a little bit more edgy, and then I topped it off with a vintage Louis Vuitton bag. But honestly, you can wear any bag with this. This is such a neutral outfit. It would go with pretty much everything. So the next two outfits I have here are with trousers. I've been trying to find ways to incorporate more dressier pants into my looks. I just love that whole sophisticated woman type of vibe. The first pair I have here is one from Zara with the white racing stripe on the side. I think that these are really fun and definitely a departure from your classic trousers. And the way I kind of casualed this all up is with a crewneck sweater. This is one I picked up from my latest Boston trip. To add a little bit of height, I also wore it with my platform sneakers, and this is the trend that I incorporated in this outfit. I've been seeing platform sneakers everywhere and I absolutely love the look. It's something that everyone should try on at least because I feel like it would look good on a lot of different people. And then the next trouser look that I have here is with a pastel pink pair. This is actually showing up a little bit stronger on camera, but they're a lot more pastel in real life. These are from Zara as well and were very inexpensive, under $50 Canadian. And the way that I wore these was a little bit more dressed up. So I wore it with a plain black t-shirt, which I thrifted. Also put on my distressed denim jacket, which I absolutely love, from Fashion Nova, and then wore it with a pair of pumps from L'Intervalle. They are based in Montreal but have a store in the Eaton Center here in Toronto. This is definitely the way I would incorporate some pastels into my wardrobe in that whole winter to spring transition time. And then the last outfit that I have here is actually the one I am wearing. Has my fly been undone this whole video? And the trend that I want to incorporate here is the whole chain on your pants thing. This is definitely an ode to the late 90s, early 2000s. I really like it. I've been seeing it on a lot of different pants, but I decided to make my own. So if you guys want to figure out how to make this whole chain detailing on your pants, you can definitely head on over to my Urban Outfitters inspired fashion DIY video. But I'm also going to link some similar styles in the description below for those of you who don't feel like crafting right now. But the way I decided to wear this was with a more feminine top. So I have this smocked Shein top that I thought would be a little bit more delicate and kind of play off the whole edginess of the pant. And then I also added a pair of combat boots. I've been seeing Kaya Gerber kind of do this whole combo a lot, and I think it looks really cool, really different, and definitely totally ready for the Insta. So guys, that is the end of my outfit video. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you did, please leave me a thumbs up to let me know. And also, if you guys want to check out what outfits I am wearing on my current trip to Europe, you can head on over to my Instagram because that's where I'll be posting everything. And without further ado guys, I'm gonna head out, but I hope you guys enjoyed this one and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye!